Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday, October 5th, 2020. It's a great day here to be a junior Potter. Mr. Parrott here with your rundown of what we did on Monday. First off, if you're somebody who's already tried to look for these things, sorry it's a little bit late here. I had meetings during both my preps here, so it's after school right now, about 3 o'clock, where I'm getting this video to you, so hopefully it'll find you well and safe here in just a little bit. First off, like usual, we got bell ringers up there. Answer them up. There's 2 of them, I think, today. You won't have any idea of what they're dealing with, so it's more of like, give me your best answer for each one of those there. We're going to do notes today, so there is a paper on there, so if you want to pick that up, you can't, so you'll have to do them on paper or copy down or print out the version of our notes at home, which I'll show you how you can do that. And then we'll go into our retake process. So on Friday, you took your test. If you are looking to retake it, email me. I will explain to you everything that you need to do in order to retake it from home. Usually it will involve an email link to your parent, giving them okay for you to retake it again. I got a couple of questions that I'll ask you for it. That'll be our retake process. What we're doing today is macromolecules. So up on Schoology, we have this here. We'll need the 5th through the 9th, since today is the 5th. Load that up. Now where it says handout here, this is the actual notes. So when you open this up, if you have a printer at home, you can easily print this out. It's 2 pages. We're only going to do the day 1 stuff today, so you only need to worry about the day 1 section of it, but we'll have day 1, 2, and 3, which will be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday this week, is how our days are going to go. But that's how you can get it. You can print it. There's a little print icon up here right below my picture where you can print it out of. If we go back to Monday, there's a link to the Monday stuff. If you bring open just the slides, these are our notes that we went through today, talking about carbohydrates and what different types of carbohydrates are. So you can kind of see some of the different aspects of it. When you get to day 2 of fat notes, you need to stop because day 2 is for tomorrow. There's a little video here. This is actually a video link. If it does not show up for you, I can give you the actual video itself, because it looks like it doesn't bring it up in the actual app. It looks like it loads it up inside of Schoology itself. So if you need that, let me know. I can give you the direct link to the video, because it's a good video explaining things. Once you're done looking over the notes and writing out the notes, we have an assignment, which is these carbohydrate questions, which we'll preview here. There's 3 types of questions inside of that. The first type is I give you 3 foods, and you got to tell me which one will have the highest amount of carbs to it. The other one comes straight from the notes, dealing with stuff involving our notes. The last one is reading food labels. Now, specifically with this one, we're dealing with carbohydrates. So for carbohydrates, you're going to be looking for where it says total carbohydrates in there. And usually we're looking at either the grams or the percentages. So you'll notice in the answer, it's either dealing with grams or it'll actually say what percentage is going to be there. With these questions, though, make sure you are looking at if they are asking for per serving, or if you ate the entire box or the entire bar or the entire bag of whatever it is, how much you would be getting out of that. For this first one, it says per serving. All of the food labels are set up to tell you per serving anyways. If you need to know the entire bit of it, you would need to multiply however many servings there are by the number of carbohydrates, let's say. So let's take this one, for example, the Hershey bar. Nobody eats those little pieces. You eat the entire bar of candy. Let's be honest. Let's be real about it. So they have it set up to where they have their own serving sizes. They say 1 chocolate bar is 4 servings because they can put however many servings they want on there. So for your actual carbohydrates, you would take whatever the carbohydrate number and multiply it by 4 to find the total amount that is in there. And that's how they can get away with getting such low numbers around everywhere, is that they can manipulate the system like that, kind of. When you're done, you can hit next. It'll get everything done with there, and then you can submit it. You got 2 attempts on it, so if you're not satisfied with the first one, you can take the second one. It's the same questions, so hopefully you do better the second time around. You can go back, look through things that you missed on there. And that's it for today. We're talking about carbohydrates, so we'll wrap things up here. Tomorrow we're going to deal about lipids and fats, so we'll have that video out a little bit quicker. So I will see you tomorrow. If there's any questions, do not hesitate to email, but we will see you tomorrow.